We love alternatives. We love lots of choices. Or do we? Having too few choices makes us feel boxed in and trapped. Having too many choices messes with our heads. The reality is we like having choices when we're faced with a less than ideal situation. But we sometimes get paralyzed when we have to choose between too many similar choices. Why is that the case? It's because we're afraid of making bad decisions. We're afraid because we violate law number 5, the law of focus. We focus on what could go wrong instead of focusing on what could go right. So, what's the solution? The solution is to change our focus. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start focusing on what could go right. The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. We also talked about changing our mindset about fear way back in law number 4, the law of change. Fear can either be forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. Many times we blow our fears out of proportion. Most of the stuff we worry about never happens. We're afraid of losing if we make the wrong choice. To recap, there are 2 kinds of fear. Fear that protects us from danger for good reasons is good fear. Fear that paralyzes us unnecessarily is bad fear. When we feel afraid, what should we do? We should fall back on our old friend, the stop method. When you feel fear, remember to stop, even if it's just for an instant. Think, observe, and then proceed. Be sure to set a reasonable time limit on your thinking so that you don't fall into the trap of overthinking. Another aspect to consider is that we're often afraid that if we make the right choice that will allow us to win, then it may wind up hurting someone else and causing them to lose. Not only is it possible for us to win, it's possible for everyone else to win as well. No one has to lose. Everyone can win. When you're faced with a situation where you think someone else has to lose in order for you to win, go back to the stop method. Stop, even if for a brief instant. Think about possible alternatives where not only you can win, but everyone else can win as well. Observe the situation in greater detail. Then proceed with implementing a win-win alternative where everyone wins. Do you like this video? Would you like more? If so, subscribe to the Way of Excellence channel by clicking my picture in the lower right corner at the end of this video. Be sure to come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, as that's when I post new videos. Also, be sure to leave your comments below. I'll try to respond promptly. Until next time, take care.